So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enroll in Citi Online Banking on your mobile. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Citi Mobile application, and this is how your interface is going to go ahead and look like. Simply go ahead and click on the register button on the bottom of your screen, as you can see. And it says, let's set up your online access. As you can see, you can simply go ahead and choose how you can go ahead and do it. You can either enter your credit card number, debit card number, bank account number, brokerage account number, personal loan only account number. So simply go ahead and select whatever you want and click on continue. Simply enter your number that you've selected, and then also enter the last 4 digits of your SSN on the bottom. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on submit. Or continue, and once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and send you a it's going to send you a one-time password or OTP to a registered mobile number or email address of your account, and simply go ahead and enter that OTP, and then it will ask you to create a unique user ID and then set up a password. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything that you need to know about enrolling in Citi Online Banking. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.